My people, social media is on fire. Social media is on fire. Social media is on fire for this election. Hey! Now our wife now bring come out for here again, oh, Mercy Johnson. Hey, sound yeah. Now I bring come out again, my people. I better not leave my wife here. Ha! I better not leave my wife here. Not leave my wife here. Yes, so. Mercy Johnson just receive gbas. Now this one I talk. Everybody get their own choice. Everybody they get their own opinion. Your opinion can never be my opinion, and my opinion can never be for you. Politics with the in fact, since when they born us to know say politics. You get right to choose the politics when you like to join, including this France when I did. Why attacking somebody? Me, I not like that part. When I not come for me, oh, come for me, I will come for you. Oh. Me, I tell you now what happen. Mercy Johnson under serious fire for, in fact, because they tell people say governor, Lagos governor, say he do well. Talk of health care. Now you dey Lagos. I want to see your comment in my comment section below. You know me say APC not do well. Some governor not dey inside that APC when they do well. You know me say PDP na bad party. Some of people not dey inside that party where they not still good. Some people are inside they still good. Now not like that. If you look your finger, if you don't say all fingers are not equal, now so party be. So that the bad people that they do on top pass. When the good one, they strong go to reach there. When the good one go for reach there, the bad one, they go to paint them to become bad. You know me say APC with the Africa, with the Nigeria, we want to try to vote PDP and APC out of our way. Then somebody not gonna go just get her own choice to say, this is my party, I love to belong. Now forget say Mercy Johnson husband, he just win something, whether now waiting win for our Edo state, whether na House of Rep. Now forget say he win now. Okay, person when he win for APC, now if he say he go come out, say he go the campaign for another party. No, they go campaign as party politician. They do one, they go know who they want vote for. PDP man go fit stand, go campaign, but inside if they use the leg, they work. I go tell them, say, me not vote for this one, me not vote for this one. That might not be my party. I want me win. Now, so some politicians they do one. Why will they attack ourselves? Why now do they attack Mercy Johnson for what? She don't get her own choice. A mother of her house. Now forget that mother of four. She get right for her own life. She, you know me say not join PDP now. Call the hate her. You know me say not join LOP. I be me I just put her because now waiting we know her put. Who know that party before? Peter Obi party. Now call the hate Sam. Why? Now this one they try to talk. Say, no, no, they take a personal. Taking it personal, things go they spoil more. Yes. I think this SANWO-OLU Abi waiting at the collar. This governor, this Lagos governor. I think at least he do something. I be not do something. But Mercy Johnson says talk about health care. The man do perfect. Why will they invest? Why would they cost him? Abi if they ever vote the OB put for that, now the OB go just they do governor, president, senate, house of rep, no, it still needs people. You know, they don't say some party politicians, they some parties, this all those parties when they say politics. Some politics there. Now the president go come out for inside. The remaining one go be bye. Yes. We not they attack people. We not they attack ourselves because of politician, because of party. Me, I don't like her. Mercy Johnson just talk with the one where he be. He just be like food now. You don't want eat pepper soup. Person will say na pepper soup na want eat. You go take her. You don't take her now. Why attacking this lady? I be not leave our wife for us. Not be our wife say mate is just spoil like that. This France when me still the things. I think I tell you just now. I will go do vlog. Me and show now how things stay high for France. Yes, things high for everywhere. Everywhere things hard. Things hard. You go buy something for supermarkets now. Maybe you see that thing now. That bread one I would just talk for my first video just now. Bread one they buy 99 cents before. Then I put it down for €1.50. Now you go buy that bread. You go reach where you want for pay. They go add small money. You go come say why? They go tell you say what this is so place. If na Nigeria, maybe they put fire for everywhere. You hear say they fight. Why? Everybody get their choice. Let's leave everybody with their choice. For me, I don't like her. I don't like her. Not because I not in Nigeria. No be him. Not because I not in Nigeria. Politics deep. Not because we just see and so. Why you the attack person when your husband win for the party? It's okay, make them vote. The man not really they do well for Lagos. If the man no dey read dey do well, which my own Edo, train dey my Edo. I think train don dey Lagos now. Free healthcare when they say e dey Lagos, say if you get belle, a woman wey wan give birth, say na free. E dey Edo, abeg if e dey my Edo, make una let me know. If e dey other state, abeg make una let me know if una come across this my video. But the man do am, abi no be the man dey do am. No be everything be president, make una still know. No be everything be president. All those our governor, money when one state they collect from our when they collect those our governor they collect for the full year, money when they collect for our state, each state. Some Africa country, their money for the full year, e no reach am. Our state money big pass am. Wetin your governor they do for his state, the money when government they give am, the money when president, all those senate, the money when they give am for Aso Rock, wetin they use am do. Everything not be president. Everything not just be president. This man, they say this man work, make they vote for him. Why una they attack? That one me not like. I be gonna leave our wife for us, yo. When say, hey, no mind me, I want sing up today. I don't sing when Emily me say over. Emily me say over. For inside Nollywood, the real wife when we they see Mercy Johnson they among a decent lady, a lady when carry her husband. In fact, he back her. I be gonna leave her. I'm not supposed to clap for her. Now they attack her. No be mouth to talk. He use the mouth to talk. He can't use the mouth to talk. He can't tell a PDP say no, not vote. They can't refollow her. No. Now the people when you go first take convince. Now you go first convince rich. You go still convince your own. Why fighting? And that mind the crisis when they everywhere. So when even they all over the world, we see they bite because of vote, because of what they call them party politician. They'll reach their finish and they'll forget the rain when it beat them, the sun when it beat them, the people when fight for them. Yes, we are desperate for our country to change, but not be the one with the citizen, the youth they take so. Not be so. We they add more fuel. As we will take verse now. Some people say they don't ever vote again. I'm not supposed to be like that. When you they do your right, when you they do your things, how you confident vote those babas come out? How? Yes, some people go say they say they'll take vote baba come on. But just the campaign. Show that man when they talk Olu abi what they call him Lagos governor. Na baba, no be young guy. Na baba, you not do well for Lagos. No be baba. You just be like time of our Oshomole, Osho daddy. Oshomole not do well for Bini, not do well for Edo. Oshomole do well for Edo. Some governor they do. So governor they do well. You know me say they come out for PDP. Or they come out for APC. Who do well? Let them give them their credit. And if you want to vote them out, not be like this, not be by fight. You know me say those baba, they know they do well. Say now so everybody just be PDP now bad, PDP now this. Time of PDP now we take get light for my own village. Time of PDP when they say not good today. Time of APC now train to enter Lagos. Train they Lagos before, but you know they work. But time of this APC, you know, when we go they see bad, some good still there, but not be waiting we want our country to be. But not be by fighting ourselves. Batching people. Charity for people. If person just say now this one will be like, hey, no. Let people be who they want. Yes, let's vote with peace. And governor election supposed to come out this Saturday. I think they don't postpone them again. I don't know again. You know, go vote. Go vote the one when you know say you want to vote. Pray to God. My prayer is the one where God knows say he go favor us. May God turn his children. May they see good, follow that person. The one where they know say he no favor us. No matter if that person even do anything by means to reach there. May our God, the God of land of Nigeria, may he pull her out. That is my prayer. I never ever forget. Say our God. Now bring us come out from that Nigeria. Nigeria will remain great. And Nigeria will become great. Prophet TB Joshua, I will never, as far Nigeria matter, they go on. Your prophecy, I believe our God have answered our prayer. Time for everything. Time to born and time to go. Let's wash and pray. Let's pray. France, that they pray. Oh. France, get Catholic, that they pray. Europe, that they pray. So let no be junction to junction church. Junction to junction church. And that one, Naomi not send. When I bash my wife phone, that one pay me just now. I beg. I don't want to feel read this thing. When people take the bank chant. I better not leave my wife from you. Why must she come under fire? It's her decision. It's her decision. Why must she come under fire? It's her decision. Let her be and live with it. Don't be like them. that are, yes, to hate. Why? She is free to support any candidate of her choice. True be told. So, okay, so Wolu is. Make they leave her. Why not they badge on her? Why not they insult her? It's wrong. Oh, me not leave my wife too. Let me come out now. Let me come out now. I don't Nothing dey this world though. Now one life we get. Be happy. Be happy. Be happy. I'll see you now in my next video. What do you think about Mercy Johnson? She not supposed to get her own choice to follow. Abi because me, now this make she just follow me. Drop her in the comment section for me. She have her right to choose who she want belong. Where she want belong, where she want belong. Yes, let's leave my wife. You when I leave my wife, you know my wife is saying Nigeria did like that too. Hey. Okay, my people, until I get to talk, drop your opinion in the comment section. Mercy Johnson is on fire. People, they fire.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast.